bitch. Cheers! Welcome to my home. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, stick around, have a glass of wine. And if you're one of my haters, happy to have you here as one of my fans. I'm actually super excited to be making this video. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I've been dabbling in interior design. I'm hoping to add more and introduce you to other parts of my home, but we're gonna start small, baby steps. Today's video is gonna be very cute, very aesthetically pleasing, very dark, very minimalistic, very maximalist. Yeah, it's just a mixture of it all. I just threw it all in there. I really didn't even know what I wanted, but all I knew was that I wanted black. Proud of myself. I'll sit to that. All right, let's do this.
Starting out with this end table that I got from Amazon. It has a compact shelf space that I use for storage. We have to keep the vibe aesthetically pleasing, so of course, only the black and white copies go on top. To dress up the end table even more, I was able to find this affordable ceramic vase from Home Goods. Of course, it has to be black. I also found a variety pack of 17-inch Pampas Grass on Amazon that you will see more of in this video. The Pampas Grass just adds a little taste of luxury and personality to the room. And just a fair warning,
prepare to be sick of me,
because I'm about to film so much content over here. The next item is this amazing throw pillow from Home Goods. When you come over, please do not, whatever you do not sit on my pillows.
That pillow cost $300.
It was actually only $20, but you get the point. Moving on to this shelf, which is also from Amazon. More of that Pampas Grass, and this skull is actually one of my favorite finds on Amazon.
getting some head, getting some head. I was the kind of girl that make your toes pop.
Okay, anyways, adding some edginess to the space with this piece, then moving back to luxury. These candlesticks and their holders are from Amazon. At this point, I keep their lights on. It's giving silent luxury. Love that for me. I also love this accent piece from Amazon. It's a wooden knot. It just completes the entire look of the shelf. I feel like the shelf low-key represents my personality. Cute, but all over the place. And that's okay. Now back to my favorite piece, this Home Goods find, this 40-inch Pampas Grass. I am obsessed. I ended up taking the last two pieces, so it was obviously destiny, but it just heightens the entire look of the space to another level.
Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed your stay. You ain't gotta go home, but you do gotta get the hell up out of here. Thank you guys. Bye.